Hi, my name is Elaine and I'm going to show you how to darken images which are too light to work with. We're going to use Photoshop for this, which I already have loaded, as you can see. Right, there it is, too light. That's not good enough to work with. So in Photoshop, go up to Image, go to Adjustments, Levels, and you now have a diagram with three control buttons. Watch what happens when I take the extreme left one and bring it right across to the right. You'll see that the image has gone completely dark. Absolutely not workable. Find a place where it actually looks good. There we go. I think that image is very acceptable. So you can leave it like that and just press OK. There you go. Now save the document, but don't save it as a PDF because the file will ultimately be too large. Save it rather as a JPEG. Where are we? Where's JPEG? A JPEG or a BMP. And this file will then be not too large and very, very good for future work. And if you use multiple PDFs, change them to JPEGs and they will be great to work with. So, until next time, when I will be producing more of these tips, my name is Elaine. Go well and wash your hands.